Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to erase in Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Erasing content in Adobe Acrobat can be done using the edit or redaction tools, depending on your goal. So, for example, in my case, I'm going to open the file that I wanted to erase a part of it. For example, this file right here. One of the easiest way is to click the edit button right here. And you might want to use some of the... Now, for example, you can simply click the draw option here. Click the circle around here. For example, I'm going to use the white one. I'm going to drag this all the way here if you wanted to erase this part of here. Now, all I'm going to do is go to the draw section. I'm going to say, for example, white. Then, obviously, from here, basically eliminate and try to, this is another option here, black, for example. Right, so these are some of the ways for you to erase a part of an image. But if you wanted to use the redaction tool, all right, redaction tool only is only accessible in the desktop application, so we're switching over. Because if you go to the edit section, go in the home page right here, there should be an option here that says edit. And if you click on the redact a PDF, you see it would ask you to open the Adobe Acrobat application, which we're going to do right now. In this case, we're going to use the redaction tool. We have a separate video on how to redact a PDF. We're not going to dive deep into this. But of course, from here, you can simply click the redaction tool right here. For example, you want to remove this piece. You see that? If you want to remove this, you can also do that. If you want to redact the whole pages, click OK, and you would be able to remove the entirety of the images that you wanted. So we're going to upload another file. For example, we're going to use this file right here. Click the redact option again. Say, for example, this. All right, so you see, it's a lot easier, right? And that's how you erase or remove here in Adobe Acrobat. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.